I love my baby because he's so handsome and he got the teeth. Oh my god. He the most beautiful. He the beautiful rat. Hey y'all, if you want to know how I make whiskers for these things, or rather how I install them, I don't actually make them. It's a little bit too complicated. I bought it from a German taxidermist. This shop is absolutely amazing. They have beautiful glass eyes, amazing whiskers, great taxidermy bases. My taxidermist friends, they use them all the time. It's great. But these whiskers come like this, see? So one side is blunt and one side is tapered. I make this blunt side a little more tapered by taking a knife and just cutting it a little bit, and then I bend it in half. It does not have to be regular because some whiskers are going to be shorter in the front, a little bit longer in the back. That's how I like it. And then I take the whisker, I lift this lip, and I put it through. They're very thin, so they go through any fabric like a needle. That is why people often use a boar's hair as a needle quite often. At least I've seen some other people do that when sewing leather, I think. I'm not sure what they were sewing. But yeah, this is how I install the whiskers. And I don't really glue them on because I don't feel the need to. But I think I might with this one, just so they stay a little bit in the back like this. I'm just gonna use this glue, I think, although I'm not sure. I might use PVA. I don't know, but I like it. It looks like a real rat. I'm just warming up the glue gun so I can go all under here, and this should hold on just fine because I want to be able to do this, you know, like combing your whiskers motion, because that's what my rat, bless her soul, may she rest in peace, but that's what she used to do all the time, and it was so cute. So I want to be able to do that too in this costume.